Frederic Hisbergues. I'm the Global Market Director for the power industry within Suez. The power customer's main mission is to deliver and distribute energy. When we speak about energy, it can be electricity, it can be heat, or it can be cooling. That's their main mission. The main driver of their challenges is that in the next 20 years, the global demand for energy will increase by 30%. In the meantime, we have the regulations, the environmental regulations, which are more and more stringent. And we face also a very clear shift of the energy towards renewables. And this is their main challenge, is to be able to supply energy respecting those challenges of the change in the mix and the new regulations. In the context of the tightening regulations and the change in the mix of the energy, their main focus today is to continue to do their core business, which is producing and distributing energy. We can help them in respecting this other environment. And I will give you 3 examples. The power industry is one of the largest consumers of water. And we need a specific quality of the water to enter the plant, and more important, to get out of the plant, respecting specification. This is clearly where we can help them, whether by our chemical products or our large portfolio of equipment, which can provide, whatever the quality of the water is, the right specification at the entrance and at the outlet of the plant. This is one example. When we speak about focusing on core, it means that they have less and less resources to focus on their utilities. And Suez is a perfect company to supply operation and maintenance services, for instance. Also now, if you consider the change in the mix, there is a consequence is that we have a lot of dismantling capabilities. For instance, in the coal-fired plant, we have more or less 100 plants that will decommission in the US and in Europe in the next 20 years. And there are a lot of activities around this remediation, but for instance, the soil remediation is an activity where Suez can provide outstanding capabilities. Safety, because we have a strong culture of safety within Suez. Whether we speak about the CEO or the employees in the bottom, everybody wants to go home safe at the end of the day. Flexibility, we have a spirit of entrepreneurial spirit. And that's very important in this current context of rapid changes. And Suez is always able to provide solutions and to challenge the status quo when needed to answer at the best the request of the customer. And finally, environmental, because I think we all have the same aim in our company, is to protect the planet. And our customers know that when we will provide a service, it will always be in the mindset that we want to protect our ecosystems.